Yo, hear me say now. I filmed the video to show now how the weather condition rough in the morning here. When me have to go to work. See, upon the New Jersey Turnpike I got to work right now, and boy, rough out here. One bad move and you're gone. But get message about send down this and send down that. Pack a barrel with this and pack a barrel with that. Yo, it's rough, a Farin. The conditions up here rough sometimes, you know, the money not grow up on the tree them up here. I forgot working at them conditions here. You're out here worried about your safety. And you have to keep your nerves straight when you drive on them road in them conditions here. Because again, one bad move and you're gone. And the tractor trailer them now ease up when them a cut pass. You know, you have to have good nerves out here. Or, you know, you become a statistic. Yeah man, it's rough. And in the foreign life sometimes it's dread and terrible. Yeah? But now I'm barrel with bully beef tonight. And foreign saltfish. And oil. And red peas and all them things there. You know? It's rough. Money is not available like that. There's 3 cars I skid out up the road up there a while ago, and 2 of the people them probably injured severely or dead. They can't tell, you know. But on a morning like this, if you don't go to work, you're not going to get paid. And the boss don't want to hear anything. When I send message up about send down iPhone X Plus and send down Galaxy 9S Plus and send down this and send down that. It's rough up here. As you can see, visibility is poor and the conditions are rough out here. You know, blizzard, snow, ice and sleet and everything I fall one time. So what does it show now how the condition steep more time, you know? And your nerves have to ride for a morning like this. Cause like me say, one bad move and you're gone. Never to come back. See?